All right. This is a class that brings you the introduction to probability. Now, so what are we trying to do? If you remember, probability says we want to measure uncertainty, and so that's just the definition you can give to it: a measure of uncertainty. And so when we are measuring uncertainty, then it means that we need to do it with some rules. And so we needed to know certain things. This is just to introduce because we're doing a course on probability distribution. So we are not talking about probability here, but just to give an overview of what you need to know in probability that you should already know anyway. And that we'll talk about sample space. Okay, before that, so probability is a measure of uncertainty or doubt. Okay, so if you don't remember anything about probability, you need to remember that. All right, so that's that. Then going on, we talk about sample space. Now, the sample space, if you remember, or if you know that already, is the set of all possible outcome from your random experiment. So the set of all possible outcomes from your random experiment, the set of all possible outcomes from your random experiment. Okay, so that is your sample space. Then going on, we have events. So an event is a subset of the sample space. So just an overview of what an event is a subset of the sample space. And then we also have what we call a random variable. The random variable is actually a mapping. A random variable is a mapping from the sample space to the set of real numbers. So it's an assignment from your sample space to the set of real numbers. And so that means that you're doing something from the sample space. For instance, you have head, tail. When you toss a coin once, say the sample space becomes something like this. And so